I'm Dr. Vybhav Deraje. I'm a consultant plastic surgeon at Aesthetica Veda, Bangalore. Today we are going to delve into what is the difference between a breast lift and breast augmentation. Now it is quite self-explanatory, both the terms, but let me tell you, in breast lift we are only increasing the perkiness of your breast. That is, we correct the sagging of the breast and make the breast more perky. Whereas in breast augmentation, we not only improve the sagginess and make the breasts perky, but also increase the volume of the breast. Now, some women just want their breasts, which are saggy, usually after pregnancy and lactation, to be more perky. For them, breast lift or mastopexy might be the answer. But some women also want to increase the size of their breast. In such cases, either an implant or fat grafting is absolutely necessary, and these women are probably candidates for a breast augmentation.